This is Daisy. And that's Dozy. Hey, Dozy. And they stay with us. It's kind of out of focus. They stay with us very frequently. Hi, guys, over the years. Hi. So they acclimate right away. And they eat well, void normally, get right into the groove of things when they're here because they've been here so frequently. They remember. Oh, Daisy. You good girl? You're a good girl. Yeah, so Daisy's been having her eye ointment. It doesn't look like she's having any more of a problem with it. And hopefully she won't scratch her eye again, but she's doing good. Say Happy New Year, Daisy. Happy New Year. You too, Dozy. Oh, I'm going to have to come up here and get you. Hello, my love. Hi. Who's my boy? You're my big boy, aren't you? Oh, you're my big boy. You're my big boy. Yeah. Come down here. Come on. Come on, Dozy. Yes, come down here. He is so huge. He's not fat. He's all muscle. Come down here. Daisy, come down here. It's just like this big ball of muscle. Look at you. You're huge. You must weigh 15 pounds. Yes. You good looking boy, huh? You good looking boy? Yeah. Yeah. That's Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hello. So they're doing very well, as you can see. There's no problems to report with these guys. Huh. Little dozer? Little dozer?